Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a walk around of a 2024 Ford Bronco Wildtrak. And all the Wildtraks come with the Sasquatch package, which includes 35-inch tires and Fox dual bypass shocks. The Wildtraks come standard with a 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6. It is a lot of horsepower. It's the second largest engine in the Bronco lineup. The largest engine is on the Bronco Raptor, which has the 3 liter EcoBoost V6. If you want power, definitely look into the Wildtraks. They've been discontinued for 2025 and they'll have a replacement in the lineup. But as you can see, they're loaded with technology. You've got a giant screen here. You've got a lot of awesome options with the Wildtrak, like the front and rear locker. You've got sway bar disconnect. You can turn your traction control off, and there's 6 auxiliary switches up top. Dual climate control comes standard in these, and there's a lot of technology with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and many other features.
All Broncos come equipped with the accessory-ready trail sights to aid in off-road navigation, and they can also be used to mount recovery boards and limb risers for overgrown trails. The Wildtrak also features a black hood graphic and model-specific badging.
So the Broncos are available in a 2-door like the originals or a 4-door to allow for 5 passenger seating, and it is quite roomy in the back. I'm 5'11" and I fit in here with plenty of leg room. Pretty comfortable ride, especially with the Sasquatch package, given the nice smooth riding Fox shocks and the larger 35-inch tires. So at 5'11", I have plenty of leg room and headroom. I'm not feeling like I'm getting impeded by the roll bar at all. Tons of room up here. The cool thing is with the hardtop, this whole panel comes out as well. So you can remove the 2 front Freedom panels or this middle panel here while leaving the back section on. Here in the back, we have our window controls, a 400-watt inverter, and USB charging as well. Whoa, lost a bag. So what I really like about this rear tailgate is with the strut, there's multi-positions. So there is that halfway position and then the fully open position. There's also some integrated tie downs in the floor here. And there is a hidden compartment where you can actually use this as a cooler integrated into the Bronco. There's a drain at the bottom. So if you lift this up back in there, you could use that as a cooler. This is also where the jack access is, and then the funnel for the quick fill in case you need to fill up from a gas tank fuel, like if you ran out of fuel on the side of the road, or you're off-roading and just topping off with a jerry can. We've also got integrated 12-volt plug, so if you want to run a fridge or blow up an air mattress, there's a nice integrated plug here with some lighting. And then one other cool feature on this other side is when you take the top off, you need somewhere to store the windshield wiper plug and also the fluid. So it actually unplugs and plugs into the vehicle here. So it kind of keeps it seamless. This hardware, these plugs aren't just like flapping around in the breeze. Also hidden underneath this roll bar is a bottle opener, which most people may not know about unless they have their hard top off. You can actually feel it right here. So if you want to crack a cold one, you got an opener right here, integrated into the roll bar. And Ford really thought this through. These are accessory ready. So if you want to integrate any kind of like MOLLE panels here to store first aid kit, cooking equipment, or just have a fold down table so you can run your jet boil here while camping, you can integrate this right into the tailgate of the Bronco.
There's so many features that the 2024 Bronco Wildtrak has that wasn't included in this walk around, like this 360-degree cameras along with a front-facing trail camera and the Haas suspension. It's a great Bronco if you want one that is trail ready, but you're not wanting to spend the extra money on a wide body Bronco Raptor. It's very smooth driving on the road and off-road and has tons of power and acceleration. The GOAT driving modes also take the Bronco to another level of driving and handling, from the fun sport mode to the Baja mode. GOAT mode stands for go over any terrain. So if you're interested or in the market for a Bronco Wildtrak, you better go grab one soon because they'll no longer be in production for 2025, or else you'll have to find one used. I could easily see this model becoming sought after from a collector because it is so unique in its styling and options. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button to see more walk around videos, how-tos, and reviews. Thanks for watching.